Welcome to theCut University. In today's class, we're going to peel back the layers on life insurance and why it matters for you as a barber. Without further ado, let's get into it. Look, let's face it, nobody wants to dwell on the possibility of an untimely death or death period. But in the event of the unthinkable, you'd want your loved ones taken care of and your business affairs settled. You need life insurance. When you're self-employed, you most likely don't have the luxury of the benefits package that includes insurance. So you'll have to get it yourself. And getting it by yourself means adding another expense to your monthly budget, which most are reluctant to do for something you may not feel you need. But here are some reasons why it's important to have. For your family, life insurance takes the burden of your personal finance expenses and the cost of final resting arrangements off your family. Depending on your chosen policy, life insurance can financially support your family for a time after you're gone. For your business, life insurance can protect your business as well, especially if you own your shop. The right policy can protect your business and provide short-term cash flow, so your family and your barbers keep the shop going. Now that you know why you should have life insurance, how do you go about getting the right kind? Determine your needs to determine your coverage. When considering life insurance to protect your family, think about what they would need if you could no longer support them. Mortgage or rent payments, utilities, car notes and maintenance, college tuition, anything and everything that would help your family continue life as usual. If you own a shop, do the same for your business. Consider the expenses required to keep it going when you're gone. It's recommended your policy cover 5 to 10 times your annual income, but knowing exactly what you want to protect your family and business will determine how much you receive. So now it's time to reevaluate your monthly budget so you can incorporate this necessary expense. Figure out how much you can spend to choose a policy that fits your budget. Let's talk about the types of life insurance. There are 3 main types: term, guaranteed universal life, or GUL, and whole life. Term life insurance covers you for a predetermined amount of time. For example, if you set your term, in other words, your life expectancy, to 85 years, that's the extent of the policy's coverage. If you live longer than your term, the death benefit will not be paid out and you don't get your money back. Even with that downside, this type of life insurance is the most popular and most affordable. You can, however, get a term life policy that offers a return on your premium, aka what you pay into the policy. You may have a higher monthly fee, but knowing you'll get the return may be worth the extra cost. Guaranteed universal life insurance is another affordable option. For a set amount of money and term, guaranteed universal life will guarantee your death benefit regardless of exceeding your life expectancy. Whole life insurance is the most expensive and can also be seen as an investment because many of the policies have a cash value that accrues with time. It also pays out your death benefit no matter what. Now that you know a little bit about the types of policies, it's time to decide how you're going to protect yourself and the ones you love. With all the companies out there, it can be extremely overwhelming. While you are responsible for getting life insurance, you don't have to and shouldn't have to go at it alone. Instead of searching through insurance companies, search for a reliable and reputable agent. That agent will review your needs and budgets to determine the best company and policy for you. They will also help you with the application process and insurance company requirements, such as medical exams that may factor into premium costs. While life insurance may add on an extra line item to your budget, you may put your family and business at unnecessary risk if you don't have it. To close, remember, you can't take it with you. Do you really want the people you leave behind to figure out how to pay your outstanding bills and final arrangements? Life insurance will help protect you and ultimately the ones you love. Okay, we're at the end of our second module. Congratulations. At this point, you should have a solid understanding of income reporting, banking, investing, savings, and investments, and how to protect your greatest asset, you. In our third module, we'll share how to put it all together using theCut.
Thank you for watching theCut U. Hit the link below to download theCut today and start your 15-day free trial. Join the other 10,000 barbers who are actively getting discovered by new clients and managing their schedules and transactions. Please hit that subscribe bell, like the video, and share with someone you think will benefit from what we've shared with you today.